In this video blog, we would like to explain to you a little bit about SKY ECC, resellers, agents, retailers, distributors, competitors, alternatives, everything that is connected to SKY ECC. Now, there was a company called Encrochat that dealt with secure encrypted phones that disappeared because authorities just closed this company and they hacked their servers, and they succeeded to hack all the information exchanged between subscribers there. That part of them were a heavy criminal organization in Europe and all over the world. So they shut down Encrochat. Then came SKY ECC as a replacement, as an alternative. But what happened is exactly the same scenario as Encrochat. Their servers or whatever has been hacked. I don't know if it is in the hardware level of like a backdoor within their devices, or by actually hacking the servers of the SKY ECC company. But in any case, they just closed all their websites, the authorities. All their distributors just disappeared, maybe fearing of some legal actions against them. So we speak about SKY ECC and Encrochat and a lot of other secure encrypted phones providers like Phantom Secure, and as something that it's not relevant anymore in this world, because you have the live proof that those systems are completely not secure. They can be hacked easily, no matter if it was the authority, it can be tomorrow somebody else. But there, it's not a real, excuse me, and no, it's not a real and secure encrypted form of communication. And people that really need absolute secrecy over their communications, or they need total confidentiality over their files that they are exchanging, they need to know that there is no secure phone out there that is connected to the cellular network, that is in any case working on the internet and online, and it's always connected online. There is no secure phone out there that can help you in securing your data. Okay, so this you have to understand, and you have to get the idea that this is not the way to secure your communication, especially the most sensitive ones. Now, what we can do is to help you understand more on how to secure your communication. We are giving consultancy in this field of privacy protection over communication and data storage. We teach you how to create your own encryption devices and not to rely on third-party providers like SKY ECC or Encrochat that failed at the end. And it's not only those ones. For example, in the past there was this Blackberry that got hacked by the Canadians. So you have to understand that your communications are hackable, and therefore you need to know the right steps to take in order to fully secure your communications. We can provide you with the tools needed, with a super encryption system to be installed on separate devices that will work completely offline, and you need to understand that when you are going online, you transfer from the offline device encrypted information only, encrypted files only. So when you are already online and can be hacked, or you know your smartphone or laptop is already compromised in a way or another, hackers will not be able to decipher the information because it has been encrypted but not on that device. We have a lot of other security features that I don't want to belong here in this video, but in any case, we wanted to explain to you that a little bit about SKY ECC, the owners, the resellers, and all other things, and you can enter our blog post. It's in the description of this video, and learn a little bit more about this field or about this company that passed away. And there are a lot of alternatives out there, but you have to understand that they are all an illusion to security. It's false statement that they can really secure your communication, because you see, it's true, it's end-to-end encrypted, all the information, but it's only what we call encryption in transit. It means that in the middle nobody can really understand what has been written, but they can hack directly your cell phone, your encrypted cell phone. They can check the servers and hack the servers of the company providing you the encryption. So these encryption companies, actually like SKY ECC, Encrochat, or Blackberry, or whatever you used, they create for you the encryption keys. They manage for you the encryption keys, and they say that this is zero knowledge. They don't know your encryption keys. They cannot decipher your encrypted files, but this is not true. You have to understand it, that the real security is achieved with zero trust. It means you don't have to trust anyone for generating your encryption keys or, or for managing them for you. Okay, you have to create by yourself your encryption keys. You have to know how to regenerate them when needed, if you need to store them, or if you know to exchange them with communicating parties. Everything is very it's a very complicated field. What we have done in our company is to develop a super encryption system that is really almost quantum safe, unbreakable, because it is based on different encryption algorithms that are known as uncrackable, but we have done it, we have developed it in a way that it's very easy to use, and this is the most important fact about it. We will be happy to consult with you, to explain to you everything, to show you, to make you an online demo. If your company needs total, absolute secrecy on their classified data and exchanged communications, we are here at your service. Feel free to communicate with us. You have our emails and all our links in the description of this video.